In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare two PDF documents and find similarities and differences. So I'm going to do that using iLovePDF, which you can access by coming to ilovepdf.com over here. And then you can come to all tools and you'll be able to see compare PDF over here. And then you can select the files to compare. You can do them that at one, or you can select the first option and then you go ahead and select or drag and drop the second option over here. So you can click, let's say I'm comparing it to this particular document. Now it's going to go ahead and quickly analyze the two together and find areas where they are connected and then be able to give your report here. You can search for a particular document. This is semantic text that are contained here and here. And then if you want to do content overlay also, you'll be able to do that. Now the comparison, you can see the level of comparison, 99.13%, and this is 103% compared to this. Now, this is the change report, what you have. This is the old, and this is the edit. Okay, so you can see the difference. Okay, all that are in green are also in the other side. So this is the comparison report. So you can go ahead and download this and you can have it off iLovePDF, and you can go ahead, compare directly, and it will read directly from the two options. Can kind of move around this vertical bar to increase or decrease the sizes of each of the elements, so you can have direct comparison. So please go ahead, use iLovePDF to compare your PDF documents completely free of charge. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.